And breaking news, these are images now that we are from Nashik. This is the Kapaleshwar temple there. Tripti Desai of the Bhumata Brigade managing now to enter the temple in her second attempt. Herman talking us more on those visuals. Herman, obviously a statement of intent, and this happening in the second time around.
Well, Deepthi, she was here on her second visit through this, as well as members of the Bhumata Brigade here at the Kapaleshwar temple in Nashik. She was here also the last week, but because of the perceived threat, since there were people who had gathered there along the following week, and the police would be providing her protection. But today, the minute she entered inside the temple, she was first given the idea that she would be allowed to enter inside. But the minute she entered inside, she was pushed away by some of the angry villagers, locals, along with certain of the trustees. The police completely not able to manage the crowds at all. She was hushed away. During that, she was attacked in a way, which is what we are told, which is when she entered inside the temple, she was attacked by certain individuals. Which is when she was pulled out by the police, and she has now been taken out. As of now, her condition is said to be proper, but yes, she's in a state of shock because she was given the idea that she would be allowed to enter inside the temple. Remember, this temple not just prohibits women from entering, but also prohibits people of the lower caste from entering, which is why Bhumata Brigade, along with Tripti Desai, had decided to enter. But the minute she entered inside, she was whisked away by angry villagers as well as trustees of the village, as well as the police who were unable to control the crowd at all.
So, Herman, then basically you're telling us that the police was trying to help her, but the locals we'll play out that reaction from Tripti Desai for you also in just a bit. But Herman, this is a bigger challenge, at a point where perhaps the state is not even able to change the grounds, change the, social thinking, because that perhaps is the biggest barrier in a movement that is about right to pray.
Well, Deepthi, if I could just ask you to repeat your question, please.
Yes, Herman, what I was asking you is that what we've seen here is that villagers blocked Tripti Desai, even though, she was given police protection. And this is a real challenge for the state to perhaps, change the kind of social thinking, the social upbringing that many people have.
Well, not just the idea of social upbringing, but also what was conveyed to Tripti Desai. What she told, when I earlier spoke to her, she said, yes, the police had provided all the necessary bandobast. It was not just the safety and security of her, but also around close to 50 to 60 supporters of her. Some of the videos that you are now looking are of not just the villagers, but also the temple trustees who are very strong and defiant, saying that, yes, we will allow her, but only at the threshold of the temple. We will not allow her to enter inside the temple. Because she's a woman, and then secondly, what Tripti Desai also has been maintaining all this while is there is more than just gender inequality in this particular case. It is also about the lower caste who are not allowed to enter inside the temple. And initially, yes, let me tell you, when she entered at the temple, everything was very calm, which is when she was very confident that she would get to enter inside the temple. But then all of a sudden, everyone started chanting loud slogans, which is when someone tried to get very close to her, and the police feared a law and security was happening, which is when she was then taken out from the temple. And the villagers meanwhile chanting loud slogan as she was whisked away from the temple inside here in Nashik.
भी संविधान का अपमान नहीं करेगा, हमें कोई भी जो है वो बीच में नहीं रोकेगा, हम सम्मानपूर्वक गर्भगृह में जाके दर्शन लेंगे।
पुलिस ने आपको किस तरह की वार्निंग दी है कि?
पुलिस ने एक नोटिस दिया है कि जैसे कॉमन पीपल बाहर से दर्शन करते हैं, वैसे आप भी गर्भगृह के बाहर से दर्शन करें। तो मुझे लगता है कि पुजारी भी कॉमन पीपल ही है, वो अगर अंदर जाते हैं तो हमें भी अंदर जाने का जो है वो हक मिलना चाहिए, और हम आज वहाँ पे जाके वो हक मिलवा के रहेंगे।
पिछली बार की तरह इस बार भी पुजारियों ने कुछ आपका स्वागत डंडे बोतल सोडा बोतल से किया, तो क्या आपका जवाब क्या रहेगा?
मुझे लगता है कि हम बिल्कुल पहले से कभी डरते नहीं थे, डरते नहीं है। जो कुछ होगा स्वागत होगा या कोई भी